Hey guys, this is Mega Pokemon Master, and today I'm going to show you how to breed the Rain Dragon. There he is right next to my Hypnos drop. There he is. Now you may have difficulties because whenever you try to breed Water and Void, you get the Jaws Dragon. So this is how you can breed. So yeah, I'm trying to breed the Agnes Dragon. You see the new, it's a new event, sorry. It's really cool. Anyway, so how I breed it is basically I used the Shard Dragon and the Water Dragon. Both of them make the Rain Dragon. Right here, that one. Yeah.